Did you know that pineapple juice is more effective than cough syrup? Pineapple juice is an anti-inflammatory and suppresses coughs far more effectively than cough syrup. Containing 50% of your daily intake of vitamin C, it helps soothe sore throats and help the body to expel mucus easily. Pineapple juice has allowed people to recover nearly 5 times faster and decreased all symptoms related to coughing. Use the following pineapple cough suppressant recipe 2 to 3 times daily. Subscribe and be healthy.